Kyle and Travis from Chaparral Motorsports here with two unique motorcycles. This guy here is mostly ridden to the track, and this guy here got out into the desert this weekend. And both of them had a minor tip over, things that happen normally while out riding. You know, you push limits. Talk about the track, Travis.
I mean, they're dirt bikes. You're gonna try things that you usually don't try, and in those situations, things don't always happen the way you want them to. So the bike goes down, and I think it's always good to do a walk around after whether you tip the bike over or you go head over heels over a big jump. It's always good to do a walk around.
So this bike here happened to go up a super steep hill, ended up getting out of control and ended up tumbling down. So there's a couple things that we had to do to this bike initially in order to get it back on the trail. One is to make sure the handlebars and the wheels kind of line up. As you can see right here, we ripped through a grip and the lever is bent. Now the neat thing about these motorcycles is they are super robust. There are tools, if you will, that you can use in order to make those things not happen. So we're going to show you the installation of a set of clamp-on grips. That way, it's always good to have an extra set of grips in the truck, just in case, right? That'll keep you back on the trail. Another thing is Travis already has them, but some sort of unbreakable lever is imperative. And we're going to show you the installation of a set of flow levers on this bike. That's going to keep your levers from breaking out there either in the wilderness or at the track, ending your day of riding.
Yeah, usually when you get a brand new bike, you have stock grips, stock levers, your radiators don't have any braces on them. So there are parts that you can install onto the bike to help prevent those certain parts getting damaged. Like for instance, you mentioned I have unbreakable levers. I have radiator braces as well because I fall over a lot at the track in the ruts, so I want to protect my radiators. As far as the WR250 here, I think it'd be good to put some unbreakable levers on. The lock-on grips are good to keep on hand because they're really easy to install and you don't need any grip glue.
So one of the major reasons you want to do a quick walk around your bike after you have a tumble is to make sure you don't have radiator fluid leaking out or your handlebars aren't misaligned, things of that nature, things that will affect your ride. If everything seems kosher, then go ahead and finish that ride out, and then when you're doing your bike cleanup, once you get home, make a mental checklist of the things that you're going to need to replace before you take it out again.
Yeah, that's the best time to make your list is when you're washing the bike. Hey, I'm going to need grips. I'm going to need a set of levers. And then write it down, head to chatmoto.com and check out what you need for your bike. We have tons of different brands when it comes to levers and grips. So head to the site and grab some for yourself.
I'm Kyle, this is Travis. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care and ride safe.